I'm going to show you the best way to remove or uninstall all the mods on Cuphead in just a few steps. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So if you are having troubles uninstalling your mods on Cuphead, all you need to do is go to Steam, go to your library and search for Cuphead. So some mods are very hard to uninstall, but this method will fix that very quickly. You just need to right click it, go to manage, go to properties, and then right here you will go to install files and you need to verify integrity of game files. So if you click here, it will basically verify that you don't have any unnecessary files like the mods. So this will basically remove all the mods from your game root folder and you can play the vanilla Cuphead again. So it will only take a few minutes or a few seconds depending on the mods you have, and now as you can see everything will work fine. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.